I am going to show you guys the easiest and the fastest way to make an ebook using just a phone. Like y'all, a phone. You don't need to be on a laptop. You can literally do this from anywhere. You can be in the bathroom and be writing your ebook. You can be in the car writing your ebook. You don't need Wi-Fi. Like, y'all can literally be anywhere. Y'all, it's time to sell the digital products. I don't know why you keep watching videos. I don't know why you haven't started yet. Like, the digital product market is going to be reaching trillions by like 2027, or billions. I don't know, but it's a lot. And y'all literally need to hop on the train before it's over. You guys are going to look back in a few years and be like, bro, I don't know why I didn't start it earlier. I should have started this 3 years ago. But it's not super saturated right now. Like, it's still so much opportunity for people to jump in and start creating their ebooks. It's like a YouTube channel. There's so many different niches on YouTube. There's so many different niches for ebooks. Like, you guys can make an ebook about cooking, about cleaning. I'm just saying random stuff, but you guys can make an ebook on any sort of skill that you have that you feel like you can teach other people. And it doesn't have to be something exceptional. Like, bro, you can have like the smallest little skill and make an ebook on it and make money off of it. And you guys can list your ebooks on Etsy. You can list it on Shopify. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into the ebook. So step one is going to be to download Canva on your phone and to make an account. And you guys don't need the pro version for this. There's so many free ebook templates on Canva, but the pro version does have better features and, you know, other options that non-pro doesn't have, obviously. And you can get the pro for probably about $15 a month, but it's not needed at all. Like, you literally can do this for free. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just get on my phone and show you guys how to make an ebook. All right, guys, so you are going to open up Canva and then you're just gonna search up ebook. And I hope the audio is good because I am recording off of a phone because I'm showing you guys the tutorial on the phone. But now you're just gonna go through the Canva templates. You're gonna find the ebook that speaks to you the most. So let's see. I am also gonna just use like ChatGPT just to generate some text. It's probably plagiarized most likely because it's AI. But let's see, guys. I'm gonna put like ebook business. You got to a successful online brand, how to start an online business. Yeah, I really like this one right here. Let's see. And like, you can always change everything about your ebook. Like, literally, it's so customizable. It's amazing. Let me see if this has more pages. Okay, so I see this does have some pages, guys. As you can see, you can always scroll like over. You just slide over on your phone. So this does have literally quite a bit of pages, which is amazing. Wow, amazing. Okay, good. So we could just use this one right here. This is my example, how to start an online business. That's what my ebook is going to be about. And it's not an ebook I'm actually going to publish and things like that, so it's not going to be like amazing, but it's going to give you guys an idea of like how you can navigate through Canva, the things you can do. So how to start an online business, we'll just keep that up there. Chapter number 1, 3 reasons why you should. No, that's, hold up, we did not scroll back all the way. This is where we should be, right here. So boom, right up here, you're gonna just add your name. So for me, I'm gonna put author is Reinventing Glamour. There we go, easy peasy. Y'all, isn't it amazing how you can do all of this from your phone? Up here, I'm gonna put my website, which is reinventingglamour.com. And you don't have to put a website. We're gonna put at Reinventing Glamour because that's my Instagram, TikTok, and everything like that. Now, how to start an online business. We can just keep everything else the same, but I'm not sure about the black background, so let's do a different color. Let's do like maybe a, let's see, maybe like a soft pink. Nah, that's gonna be so ugly. Let's do like a beige maybe. I think like beige, I'll have to get like orangish. Now, honestly, everything will be because of the text color. That's the issue I'm having. Step-by-step guide, starting a new business, find out where to begin and how to achieve success. We can just keep that just like how it is. So now we're going to scroll to page 2, the author. You can delete any page you want. Like, if you feel like it's so irrelevant to be like the author, but it might actually be a good thing, because if you're trying to teach someone how to start an online business, they might like to know who you are and who are you to even be teaching this. So you could be like, the author, hello there, I'm Reinventing Glamour. Hold up. I'm Reinventing Glamour. And then you see all this Lauren Ipsum stuff. You guys, like I said, I'm going to be using ChatGPT. So I'm going to say blah, 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 about the author. Business owner. I don't know. I'm just going to see like how smart these AI things really are. I really don't even know what I'm looking for. Nah, they're asking. Okay, they think I'm asking like how to become an author. Okay, anyways. So we're just gonna leave all that right there. So more on, you can put your website there. Then you go to the next one, how to start an online business, 3 reasons why you should start an online business. And y'all, it's amazing because like you literally have all the templates right here. 3 reasons why you should start an online business. It is fairly inexpensive to start, major potential and growth. I really love the fact that they're literally giving you like all of these little points that you guys see me highlighting here. That's so amazing because like you don't even have to like do much brainstorming. You can always switch things up if you want to, but you guys literally have such an amazing template right here. Do you know how good of an ebook this could be for how to start an online business? Amazing. This is all you need. And there's so many other like things that you guys can do. Look at this, selling digital products. I love this. This is so good. Like honestly, I might actually use this template for an ebook that I'm gonna do because I do have to make more ebooks. So I literally might just do that. And look, they have like other, you can always add more pages, switch pages up. And let's like look at a different type of ebook. Affiliate marketing. Oh, this is amazing. I love this ebook. Like it has everything you would literally need. I'm actually gonna like add this to favorites. So now we're just gonna search up ebook book covers and let's just see if we can find some really cool covers because you know the cover of your ebook is going to really sell it. So when you're like going against all of your competition on Etsy or any other digital product website that you decide to sell it on, you want your ebook cover to look amazing. Ooh, I like that one. The code of success looks nice and you can like put yourself behind it, but I don't know, it kind of looks scary, honestly. Let's just look more. Love and letters. And like I said, it depends on what kind of ebook you are writing that might like resonate with you the best. You could be doing a fashion ebook. I love this one, breakfast recipes. You guys, this is such a good one right here. Let's see. And they don't have pages. Okay, this is a beautiful example because I was looking for one that like doesn't have additional pages and show you guys like how you can add more pages that have like actual templates on it. So if you go to, it's a little different on a laptop, but that's why I'm showing you guys from a phone because you literally can do this from anywhere. You can do this from in your car. Okay, so we're gonna look up, my bad, not that. We're gonna go to designs and then templates right here. Perfecto. So let's just look through book cover templates. Let me do like ooh, this will be a cool page to add in to your ebook. Did they replace it? You guys, they replaced it. Hold up, I meant to replace this one. So you go to replace and then you're gonna go to design, this one. This is what I meant to do. So boom, now you have your cover and you can always switch anything. Like if you don't want these pictures, maybe you might want your own pictures, you can always do that. And of course this is not our business, so we're gonna put reinventing food. Reinventing food. Okay, we need to make it smaller though because that does not fit. Hold up, let's make it like the perfect size right there. Perfect. Reinventing food. Beautiful. So now we have like all these pictures and we can just like look up photos. I'm just gonna search up breakfast food. You guys can even just take photos from here. Literally, you guys can use all these different graphics for your ebook. Like Canva is amazing. This is all you need. So what the heck, you guys, that's literally the photo they have on the cover, but you can pick like a different one if you want. So breakfast food, let's take this one right here. We're gonna just slide this in there. You can literally just like drag and drop them inside of the little things. So boom, let's take this one. We're gonna put this one here. You're just gonna literally just take a bunch of like breakfast food and just, you know, replace all the photos. And y'all, we have to work smarter, not harder. So this is like an amazing way to do that. Like, you don't want to be sitting here looking online for a bunch of random breakfast food photos when you can literally just use Canva and use all of this. Like, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's do like a chicken sandwich, I guess. Hold up. So this looks interesting. Could put that there. Whatever this is, I don't even know what this is, but okay. Maybe it's a breakfast food in some country. This looks good. Let's put this one here. And I think we have one more to fill, and that's it. Let's see. This looks like a cool breakfast food right there. And that fig, I did not put that there, so I don't know what that is. So let's find one to replace that. This. So if you want to say like you're making sweets or something. Okay, so now you guys, look, this is page 2. Boom. Look at this, y'all. How amazing is this? Now you have like a fully customized, and especially if you've made your own recipes, and I'm pretty sure you take photos, so you can literally just put like a bunch of photos inside of one. So now page 3. Let's find a different one for page 3. We're gonna search up, hold up. Actually, we don't even need to search. We really could just like scroll through and find, you know what, let me just search up food recipe. Beautiful, you guys. Look at this. So do you guys see all these different templates that you can use for different pages of your ebook? Look at this, bro. Like, you don't need to do anything. You don't even need to be like a designer, have skills. All you need is to just choose what you want for your pages. So let's look through, like this one, for example. So simple, but so effective. Like, boom. Now let's replace this photo right here with this right here. Let's just say this is some sort of, I'm just making stuff up, egg pizza. And then boom, you got the ingredients. I have no idea. I'm not going to be like just putting random ingredients, but y'all get it, right? Okay, and you can always, like, if you want to duplicate this exact page to make the rest of the book just like this, just do that. Look at that. Now you have 2. So you just like, let me show you guys. So you just like tap like the very tip of it like that, and then you're just going to press that little plus sign. And then now you see we have 3 of them. Look at that. And then boom, let's just go in and replace with our other little thingies that we did. This one we can call kiwi oat bowl. I don't know. Kiwi oat bowl. Nice. Next one. Y'all, do you see how easy it is to make an ebook? Like, I swear you can finish an ebook in like 10 hours, less than 24 hours for sure. Like, if you actually want to. Let's see. This, I have no idea what the heck this is, but let's say, pepper crisp, whatever. I even put like pepper crisp appetizer. Yeah, nice. Okay, pepper crisp appetizer for breakfast. Cool, right? Because like I said, these are recipes, so you're gonna find like weird stuff in people's recipes, but you're like, hold on, now this actually looks really cool. But look at this, bro. Like, how amazing is this? Like, you don't have to do 50 either. You could be like 10 recipes, guys. Look at that. 10 recipes, and you have 1, 2, 3. Now we could just duplicate the page more. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just press it a bunch of times. Look at that. You got every single time I pressed it, we have it. So now we're gonna replace it with every single photo that we had on that thing. We shall just put it. Let's do this one. I don't even know what the heck this is, but we can be like homemade cereal or something. I don't know. Now we could do, what's this? Vegan vegan breakfast sandwich. Look at that, vegan breakfast sandwich. And then you want to make things like actually, you see how I did that? I like just scrolled it over, and you can always go to nudge down here, boom, and like adjust things how you want it. This is actually such a good template, you guys. I love it. But you guys get the picture. I'm not just going to go through every single one, but you guys can literally make such a nice ebook with pictures, look extremely professional. And once you're done, you just need to hit download right here. And it's going to save to your phone like as a document, right? I think like a PDF. Yeah, it's going to save as a PDF. And then we're gonna go open it up as a PDF. So I'm pretty sure on your phone it's gonna be in files if I'm not mistaken. Let me see, guys, hold up. I believe it's gonna be in files. I could be wrong, but let's see. Canva, maybe this? No, that's something else. Okay, maybe they put it to, okay, I see what they did, guys. They literally put it in my gallery on my phone, which is very interesting. So, hold on. This is what I did wrong. You guys can go actually save it as a PDF. Hold up, guys. Let's like, because they're just saving it as like images. Right here. So save as file type, you can do PDF, literally the best. Okay, all pages 12. There we go. Download. Now I'm hoping that it's going to save to files, because that's what we want. We want to be able to have it on Etsy as just like a one PDF so that it'll email to the customers automatically, or you can email it yourself. But if you're using like Shopify or some other website e-commerce platforms, you guys can just automatically schedule with plugins on your website. So it'll automatically send it to your customer as soon as they purchase it, like literally immediately. And you have to do nothing. And that's why they say digital products are like passive income. But anyways, now let's go to files and see if we can find it. I'm hoping that we can, because if it's not here, then it's just like, where are the files going? Because I have no idea. Let's search up recipe right here, you guys. I found it. Oh, this is so beautiful. Look at this. We have a full-on ebook right here, bro. A breakfast ebook. How professional, amazing is this? And I swear this is the easiest way to do it. You guys, I've seen videos that are so difficult. I'm like, why are they explaining it like that? Like, this is so easy. It's way easier than people are explaining it. But you guys can totally do this. Whatever you want to talk about in your ebook is so possible.